Did you know that the type of rice you choose can significantly impact controlling blood sugar levels for type 1 diabetes? Stay tuned to learn about 5 types of rice that can help you manage your blood sugar effectively, all approved for type 1. Diabetes. Welcome back to our channel. Managing blood sugar levels can be a daily challenge for individuals with type 1 diabetes, but choosing the right foods can make a big difference. Today, we'll explore 5 types of rice that can help regulate blood sugar levels, making your diabetes management a bit easier and your meals more enjoyable. For those with type 1 diabetes, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial. While rice is a staple food in many diets, not all rice is created equal when it comes to blood sugar control. Some types can cause spikes, while others can help keep levels more stable. Knowing which types to choose can be a game changer. Let's dive into the details of 5 specific types of rice that have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels in a type 1 diabetes diet. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the bran and germ, providing more fiber than white rice. The fiber content helps slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. It's a great choice for those looking to maintain stable glucose levels. Wild rice. Despite its name, wild rice is not technically rice, but it's packed with nutrients and has a lower glycemic index compared to white rice. It's high in fiber and protein, which can help control blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and absorption. Basmati rice. Basmati rice, especially the brown variety, has a lower glycemic index than other types of white rice. Its complex carbohydrates are digested more slowly, which helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. Opting for brown basmati rice can provide additional fiber benefits. Black rice. Also known as forbidden rice, black rice is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and has a lower glycemic index. These properties help in regulating blood sugar levels and provide numerous health benefits. Its unique color and nutty flavor can also add variety to your meals. Red rice. Red rice is another whole grain option that is high in fiber and antioxidants. Its low glycemic index means it can help keep blood sugar levels stable, making it a good choice for people with type 1 diabetes. The nutrients in red rice can also support overall health. And now, the key moment you've been waiting for. Among these, black rice stands out due to its impressive antioxidant properties and fiber content. This rice can significantly help in maintaining stable blood sugar levels while offering additional health benefits. Incorporating black rice into your diet can be a powerful tool in your diabetes management. To summarize, incorporating these 5 types of rice, brown rice, wild rice, basmati rice, black rice, and red rice, into your diet can be a game changer in maintaining stable blood sugar levels while enjoying delicious meals. These rice varieties offer more fiber and nutrients compared to regular white rice, making them excellent choices for individuals with type 1 diabetes. Don't miss out on more diabetes-friendly tips and other health tips. Subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts and experiences with these types of rice in the comments below. Together, we can make diabetes management easier and more delicious. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.